For your safety,
Yes.
please remain seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. And please, do watch your children. Our journey will begin here in just a few moments, so sit back and hang tight. We'll be
Why
on
does
our
my
way
face
in
look
no
so
time.
greasy?
It looks like we're rolling into the farmlands. That's right, even these peaceful green pastures get all lit up for the Pratt Brothers Christmas. Why, in fact, even the animals are getting into the holiday spirit. Dominic, the donkey over there, looks like he got an early Christmas present. Hopefully, he catches up to it by the time Christmas comes around. See what other critters you can find throughout the land as we make our way to our next destination.
I'm so glad we didn't miss this. We almost missed it.
Even where the snow doesn't fall, the holiday spirit still stands tall. Now entering the Arizona desert. Looks like we got a couple of wild wranglers looking for trouble.
Yeah, get out of here.
Anything goes out here in the Wild West. Things can get so strange. Why, you might even see a UFO or two. Might be from those Phoenix lights everyone was talking about. They gave the Pratt Brothers lights a run for their money. Speaking of money running, looks like old Prospector Pete traded in his gold findings for that bag of cash. Doubt we'll see him around this town anytime soon, with Beverly Hills now calling his name. We got more dangerous wildlife out there, so make sure you keep your hands inside. We'll be making a detour to the top of the world where it's much colder. Full steam ahead. Hopefully you brought some warm jackets. Out of all my time giving tours, I've never seen this area not covered in sparkling white snow. It's Christmas 24/7 out here at the North Pole. Those little elves are constantly making toys for all the good children around the world. You can even spot some of Santa's reindeer out here if you look close enough.
There is like
The
nothing
North
blocking
Pole
over
is so
here.
full of Christmas magic that even the snowmen out here come to life. Y'all smell gingerbread? I sure do. Maybe that has to do with our next destination. Hope y'all brought your sweet tooth. Not many things I love more than that warm scent of
Chocolate
fresh
chip
gingerbread
cookies.
during this time of year. It
Salted
always reminds
butter.
me that life is full of sweet surprises. Gumdrops, cookies, cupcakes. Talk about a sugar rush. One thing I know about the Pratt Brothers is that they're always baking magic. Let's see what they have their head bakers making this year. Looks like we've landed ourselves in a sticky situation. Welcome to Lollipop Lane. This vibrant land is home to so many flavors. Cherry, lemon, grape, bubblegum, and sour apple, just to name a few. These all grow from the ground up. My favorite is watermelon, but see if you can spot your favorite. Our next stop is just around the corner, and let's just say it'll leave you wanting s'more. Now here's a different type of white Christmas. Welcome to Marshmallow Way. This magical tunnel transforms your everyday looking marshmallow into life-size sugar pillows. And what good is a marshmallow without graham crackers and chocolate? You know what they say, a s'more is the best brew bug that food has ever made. Be sure to get some inside of town tonight. As we steam out, you'll find our next destination is in mint condition.
Peppermint. Look, peppermint from Candy
Now,
Cane.
this looks like a place where we can savor the moment. Welcome to Peppermint Place, where everything is candy caned out. You can't have Christmas without candy canes. I think it's fair to say that these decorations have earned their stripes, don't you? Why, here these are so popular that even jolly old Santa Claus dresses like one. He's always giving out these minty treats. If you happen to see him, tell him I sent you. All right, let's keep moving forward. It's time to take a quick blast through the past. Here we have a Pratt Brothers original time warping tunnel that takes you back to the land of dinosaurs. If you feel a bit woozy after the time tunnel, that's only natural. You've just traveled back 65 million years. It should wear off when we travel back into our time. Hang tight, and definitely keep your hands inside for this one. Looks like that time warping tunnel worked. It's true what they say. Jurassic times call for Jurassic measures. You know, Arizona didn't always look the way it does now. Before coyotes and bobcats roamed around, there were much bigger creatures stomping around that shook the earth. Flying pterodactyls, velociraptors, and the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex claim this very area we are currently calling home. Dinosaurs weren't the only thing that shook the earth. Volcanoes were erupting around just about every corner. It looks like we've been caught in the middle of one right now. Quick, everybody, keep your hands inside. We have to get out of here before we get caught up in the lava flow. Just ahead is another time warping tunnel that'll bring us back to our time. Full steam ahead. That was a close one, folks. I'm glad you all got to travel with us today, and we made it back in one piece. Thanks for hopping aboard the Holiday Express. Be sure to watch your step and remember to gather all your belongings. Enjoy the rest of your night here at Pratt Brothers Christmas.